Nowadays, the education in upper high school is very important for the future of students because it is the starting point of the higher level of education, which affects to the occupation in the future, and surely affects to the amount of salary they would get. Surely, it is very hard to prepare for the entrance exam while studying in the upper high school. Therefore, the experiences of people who have prepared for entrance exam will be advantage for students to learn and apply. And the easiest people who can be found in our daily life are teachers. This is the introduction of our project, which is the survey of teachers' entrance exam preparation. Our members consist of Tapasanan Ampantong, Sutisini Techat Hong, which is me, and Bunyakanda Chai Sompan. The objectives of our project is to collect the data of teachers in Yotin Burana School about the experiences and comments for the preparations to take the entrance exam into higher education, and to inform people who are interested and students who are preparing for entrance exam to use as a guideline. For sampling, we decide to interview 15 teachers from English program and 15 teachers from Thai program. And this is our overview mind map before we doing the survey. For the question form, we decide to type the question in the paper and print it out and send it to the teacher to answer, which in the paper consists of the topic, introduction, objective, and 15 questions.
To the results and analysis. First of all, 53% of teachers we interview study in science and mathematics class. The rest study art and other. 37% of them have thought about university and set their goal before M4. 56% of them set their goal in upper secondary school and 6% who haven't thought about it. These results show that even they are teachers, but when they were young, they were as students like us. There were a group of people who set their goal early and a group that haven't set anything yet. And when we focus on their goal, 40% of them choose their universities and their faculties because of their favor, and 50% of them choose because of other factors. At school, half of teachers start to study harder before M4. However, most of them start to prepare for the entrance exam in M6. For preparations, most of teachers got the information about the university requirement from media such as newspaper rather than asking people. For practicing, there are three most popular ways that teachers who choose to do, which are study hard in class, read additional books and doing old tests, then followed by study with tutor and reading with friends. For time managing, half of teachers didn't fix their time, which is higher than we thought. But if we look to the left, 33% of teachers say that they read and practice every day or nearly for the entrance exam, which means for the ones who are mindful, they work hard every day. For the reading orders, most of teachers say that they start reading subjects that they like or adapt with first. However, 27% of them decided to read the subject that is the most content first, and it is only 4 people from 30 who choose to read subject that contain most points first, which is lesser than we thought. Finally, There are 57% who could enter the university that they expect. However, 70% of them could study in faculty that they expect to. So, for the teacher who couldn't reach their goal, 59% of them say that the reason is because their score didn't reach the requirement of the university.
Now, 77% of the teachers are teachers from their hearts. It means that 23 of them don't really want to be a teacher. 4 of them say that they become teachers because their scores can reach the requirement. 2 of them say that teacher is a stable occupation. And 1 of them says that because it is his or her family's order. However, 93% of teachers we interviewed are happy with the job that they are doing. Conclusion: for the preparation, they mostly use knowledge from the school, then followed by studies from tutors and doing own tests. For reading management, most of teachers read subjects that they like or adapt with first, and for schedule, about half of them didn't fix their time. On the other hand, 33% of teachers decided to practice every day or nearly. From the survey, we analyzed that there are 2 groups of people, but are finally become teachers at the end. Set their goals early, set their goals late. Start practicing before M6, start practicing in M6, practice for the exam every day or nearly. Didn't fix their time. Finally, the entrance score reached the university requirement and didn't reach the requirement.
So, in conclusion, it depends on you. If you're serious with it, you set your goal, always practice the mock test, and of course, try your best. Certainly, you will reach your goal no matter which university you want to enter or how hard the exams are. Thank you.